Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing and testing this JISULIFE handheld fan. The model is Pro1S. It's the top of the range model for this particular brand. According to them, they're the world's #1 portable fan brand. There's a couple of features with this unit. The first one is you can set the speed from 1 to 100, unlike other units where you can set 1 to 3 speeds. It's got a 5000 milliamp battery, so it will last quite a while. It's got the USB-C port, so you can recharge it like any other mobile device. It's got a nice metal body casing, and it's got a digital display, so you can actually see what the settings are and how much battery life is left. So I'm just going to open it up here. Looks like there's an accessory pack at the bottom here. It's got a little flap. Now I'm pretty impressed with the packaging as well. It looks really nice. It looks very, very posh. Okay, so I'm just going to open this accessory pack and let's see what we have here. Okay, it looks like this is the strap, so you can actually strap it to your wrist in case you don't want to lose it. So this is the strap. So you strap it to the portable fan. Now this is just your ordinary USB-C to USB-A cable. Most of us has plenty of those. Now there's a little pouch where you can put the fan in. So this is the portable fan. Straight off the bat, it's a grey color. It's got this little wheel at the front here. So I'm assuming that you can change the speed. It's got an on and off button here. So at the moment, it looks like it was already on. And then if you press the front button, you actually can start the fan. So this here is the on and off. So if you push in and press it once, or if you hold on to it, that shows you how much battery is left. So 80% battery left. So you make sure turn it on so the top is on. Now you press it, press the button, the front. So it's set to 1 at the moment, and if you scroll the wheel up, it increases the speed. So at the moment, as you can see, it's increasing in speed. So you can really adjust the speed to what you want and how much fan you want to. So at the moment, you can see, I can actually feel it. The only way to show you is maybe put it against this. You can see how the pouch is moving away from the fan. So keep increasing it. It's also gets pretty loud as well. So you know that it's actually the fan spinning pretty fast. So we're reaching up to 70 at the moment. You can see the pouch is moving away from the fan. Okay, let me put it up to 100. As you can hear it, the fan is very loud at 100, and you can really feel a breeze. It's a nice breeze as well. As you can see, the pouch is moving really away from the fan. So scrolling down, you're decreasing the speed. Scrolling up, you're increasing the speed. The nice thing about it is that you can actually see the speed at the display. Now let me try to see if I can move this box. This box is pretty light, so I'm just gonna turn it on. So just from that testing, it's used about 2%. So I'm just gonna, oh, look at that, it's moved quite a bit. So yeah, it's pretty powerful, sucking the air from the back. So just moving that, it moves really quick. And that wasn't even at the high speed. I'm just gonna decrease it, see. So at the moment, just say 32, you can see that it's pushing this box away. And let's see if this is pretty heavy. Yeah, it's not gonna move it at all. So let me increase the speed, see if you can move it at all at 100. No, well, this box is pretty heavy, so I didn't expect it to move. So even if I put it at 100, yeah. Now let me compare this with other brands and I'll show you in terms of speed and how powerful it is. Okay, let's start off with this Click brand. I'm going to use the same box here so you can notice the difference. So the Click brand has 3 different speeds, and as I'm increasing the speed, the box is not moving at all. I mean, the fan is spinning, but the box is not moving at all. Okay, so this is another brand. The brand is Qualitel. So it's still portable USB, chargeable, and on the high speed, yes, it does move it, but not as much. So let me try the third fan. It's a flea market brand. So this one has 5 speeds. So I'm just gonna try all the different speeds, even the highest. And even at the highest, it doesn't really move it as much. As you can see that I gotta move the fan a lot closer for it to move the box. So the fan is pretty small as well, the blades. So let me show you how powerful so I'm gonna test it now. So if you press it once on the wheel at the front, and then you scroll up, it will increase the speed. So at the moment it's 10. Not really moving the box, but at 20, as you can see, it's already moving the box at the speed 20. So you can tell how powerful it is compared to the others. So I'll put a link in the description for those that want it. Highly recommended, especially if you have hot flushes or if you really need to cool down, then this is the fan that you need to get. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.